I don't know. I think I hugged some 40 people in 2 minutes or something. I don't remember.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. This is episode number 3 of Menace and the Monk. मेरा नाम मानस aka Menace, and as usual, मेरा दोस्त मेरा भाई the Idolo, the Monk is with me. By the way, thank you so much for watching episode 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope eventually आप लोग एनफील्ड जाएं और ये वीडियो देख के जाएं ताकि हमारे व्यूज और बढ़े. But episode number 3 is all about our favorite game at Anfield. And Nidhi is going to be describing his experience at Anfield, his favorite game. So, Nidhi, over to you, bro.
So I think I have watched games at Anfield, but nothing can be better than winning the biggest game in English football. The Liverpool versus Manchester United game. So जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था कि this was the first game that I watched at Anfield, so I'm going to be describing that game in a little bit detail. I will not go over the same things, but just a little bit. So I mentioned in my first video, I reached Anfield, and I'll take it up from there and not go over the same sand and details and everything. So the moment I entered, and I've described that feeling that you see Anfield, and there is the water jets are on and the pitch is getting prepared, and the thing is, this is a Liverpool versus Manchester United game, so you can feel it's palpable यार. मतलब वो समझ में आता है कि you go through the town, and people are excited all over the place,
Yeah.
and people are talking about the game and everything. So anyway, so I get there and the team is announced, and one of the things, and we keep talking about it in our Instagram lives as well, Shaqiri was on the bench, and I was very excited to hear that Shaqiri is on the bench. Keita started that game, if you remember, Manas, right?
Yeah.
And the front three was the same, of course. Like we had Mane, Salah, and Firmino, and Trent was injured in that game, if you remember. That was probably the last game that Nathaniel Klein had played, and Nathaniel Klein.
Oh, he played after a long time, right? Until
Yes, yes,
yeah, yeah,
yes. I'm not 100% sure if it was the last game, but I think it was the last game in which Nathaniel Klein had played. And so the players come out, and the warm-ups are going on, and Manchester United teams come out and everything. And man, the so I'll tell you a little bit about, I was actually one of the first people to enter the stadium. And it was literally me and 5 other people in the cop. And they were also, I think, people like me who had just come and, wanted to just soak it in. And
fresh host, fresh
yeah,
host था.
fresh ghost, right? So उसके बाद आप बैठे हो, and then people start coming in, and you look, and it's like the cop is so huge. This is going to be full, and it is the cop itself. It if you look around, it looks so intimidating, right? अगर
Yeah.
कि ये जगह अगर पूरी भर जाएगी तो कितने लोग होंगे? And then people
Uh,
start coming in, and then the chants start, and the announcers are announcing the team names, and everything is going on, and then you see those banners, and it's almost surreal, right? You almost feel like you're in some parallel universe. Everything that you watched on TV is right in front of you. The huge
yeah.
banner, it goes above your head. You see the Paisley, Rafa, everybody, the huge banner in which all the managers are there. Those kind of, all the famous banners are there, and the atmosphere is just absolutely electric. And
Yeah.
then and then comes the time of kickoff, right? And Manas, just before kickoff, of course, they everybody starts singing "You'll Never Walk Alone," and I have watched different games, but and I'm not talking about the experience on TV, but this You'll Never Walk Alone was absolutely out of this world, right? I mean, it's absolutely something else. This particular You'll Never Walk Alone, and I get goosebumps even now thinking about it. So anyway, the game starts, and we are playing absolutely brilliant. I mean, we are attacking them left, right, and center, and then so मैं कॉप में बैठा था, and Steve की seat थी, like you've also sat in that seat, and then Mane takes the ball and runs, right, and the Anfield Road end is on the opposite side, of course, right, where the Manchester United fans are sitting, and he's running with the ball, but कुछ तो होने वाला है, because he's running with the ball with, and तू कितना भी दूर से देख स्टेडियम में, you understand play, the pass, you understand कि बॉस कुछ तो हो रहा है, and he runs and he puts that in.
In the box it goes. Chance here for Liverpool. Sadio Mane.
And boy, the entire stadium went crazy, right? Yeah. So Kenny Dalglish stand, which is just next to us, and the Kop, of course, is the Kop, but absolutely, I think I have not heard sound like that ever in my life. That sound is unmatchable, right? So anyway, Mane scores, and the game is going on, and we are still attacking. Then what happens is, Lukaku shoots, and Alisson, uncharacteristically, he spills the ball.
1-1! Would you believe it, Jesse Lingard in front of the cup? Only the 7th time Alisson has been beaten in the Premier League this season. What a howler on the big stage!
And there is, I think, about 20 seconds of people going quiet, and people are like, jammy bastards and all that, lucky whatever expletives they use, and then the noise starts again, right? That's the thing about the Kop. The noise starts again like this, and the game sort of towards the first half, it sort of tapers out, and Mourinho at that time was on a tight leash. And I remember there was a guy next to me.
Did he get the sack after the game?
That was his last game for Manchester United.
Yeah.
And I had actually exchanged my seats with a guy who had come with his son. उसने बोला कि यार मैं मतलब edge वाली seat ले लेता हूँ, so that it's easier for me and my boy to watch the game. I said, of course. And we started talking, and I told him, and again, there is no way to prove this, but I told him, what, Shaqiri will win us this game. Right? And Shaqiri tha bhi nahi, wo bench pe tha. And then in the second half, around the 55th or the 56th minute, I think, I don't remember exactly, Klopp takes out Keita and gets Shaqiri in. By the way, we were totally dominating that game. It's not like, Manchester United, right? But, and, then Shaqiri comes, and then, and he's playing in the midfield, of course, right? Because the front three were still there. And then, if you remember the first goal that Shaqiri scored, right?
Yeah.
And he puts it above David De Gea.
They found a way in, and Liverpool have found their way to lead for the second time.
The ball goes in, and the ball, if you remember, it hit the post.
Yeah.
Right? And that sound was heard throughout the stadium. Dun karke, and then the ball goes in. And I kid you not, Manas, it felt like itna bada stadium at Liverpool, Anfield. It felt like the roof will go off. People are going absolutely crazy, right? Both the goals were deflections, but people are going absolutely crazy, right? People are, I don't know, I think I hugged some 40 people in 2 minutes or something. I don't remember. And then Shaqiri scores the second goal.
Into the area it goes to Firmino. Ooh, almost to Salah. Shaqiri again takes the deflection. 3-1. He's the magic man today, Xherdan Shaqiri. And is that all 3 points for Liverpool? And are the Reds heading back to the top?
And that's when we knew, okay, we've won this game. And trust me, Manas, I think he scored in the, I don't remember the exact minutes. Frankly, I don't remember a lot of it, apart from how I felt. Not the minutes, not these details, but only what I felt. But when he scores the second goal, that's when it's done. And the people are chanting, and people are, I think, the cop, and people who are actually so accomplished in football have said it, that the cop has that's a 12th man in itself. And that's true. And that's true, right? Because you watch the game, you watch the cop in full force. If you hear them, if you watch them, it's going to be difficult for any goalkeeper with his back behind the cop behind him, or the cop in front of him, right? It's intimidating, man. And the game ended, and there were people from all over. I think there was some Scandinavia Liverpool supporters group. So it was absolutely amazing, man. Like, I don't think I have watched other games. Some of them have been absolutely brilliant, but overall, in terms of the best game I've watched at Anfield, I'll have to say it was Liverpool versus Manchester United, 3-1 we won. And what an absolutely amazing day. I was flying to New York, actually, the second day, and I still went to Jamie Webster and attended one of his concerts. And it was, again, that's another absolutely amazing. I mean, people were going absolutely mad. Came to my hotel. I don't think I've caught a red-eye flight, because the flight for New York was also, I couldn't sleep for more than one or 2 hours. But absolutely no regrets, man. Like, I mean, that particular game was just out of the world. You cannot describe what it feels like to have 45,000 people celebrate one thing at one particular time with so much passion. And again, I can go on and on, and this can be a 1-hour video, and we can go about specifics about what happened at this minute or that minute. But it's absolutely amazing. And if you ask me my favorite moment from the game, it was, like I told you, 20 seconds of silence, and then the noise volumes were even louder, even louder than when we were leading.
Yeah, because you absorb what happened, and then you rally the team. That is what the cop does.
Yeah. And that's why, perhaps that's the reason why I always will have a soft spot for Xherdan Shaqiri. But Xherdan Shaqiri for me is going to be always an absolutely favorite player of mine. No question, man.
Yeah.
No question at all.
Awesome, Vidhi. I mean, I can feel that, because I remember watching the game on television, and I know that, and I knew that you were in the cockpit. मुझे पता था. तो जब भी शकीरी ने दूसरा मारा और फिर तीसरा मारा, मैं तो पागल हो ही रहा था, and I was thinking, भाई, he must be time of his life right now.
It was absolutely amazing, right?
Great times, Vidhi.
No question, man. So that was my experience, Manas. That was my experience about my favorite game at the Corp. And that was also episode 3. So, please watch this video, like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon. And ring the bell icon.
Next video, I will be sharing my experience, Vidhi.
Yes.
So
yes.
I think we should end this here, if that's okay.
Absolutely. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Make sure you follow us on all social media channels. We love to connect with you. These videos are just for you. And please let us know if there are any other topics that you want us to cover in our Instagram lives, YouTube videos, anything at all. Menace and the Monk signing off.